How to enter BIOS mode on Windows 10. First, go to your Start menu and click on the Settings gear icon. This will open up your PC's settings screen. Next, click on Update and Security. On the left side of the screen, click on the menu option that says Recovery. On the bottom of the recovery screen, look for the section called Advanced Startup. When you are ready, go ahead and click the Restart Now button. This will restart your Windows 10 computer and may take a few moments. After rebooting, the next screen should say Choose an option. Click the Troubleshoot option with the wrench and screwdriver icon next to it. On the next screen, click on Advanced Options. On the Advanced Options screen, click on UEFI Firmware Settings. Finally, click on the Restart button to enter BIOS mode. And that's all there is to it. From here you can change your BIOS options, reboot from another hard drive and more. If you have any questions or need additional help, please leave a comment below. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please like and subscribe and you will receive good karma points. You can also find these instructions on our website at howtech2.com.